In our previous session, we discussed dimensions of operation strategy. Today, we are going to explore a new topic, operation strategy as a competitive weapon. Imagine you are the operations manager of a company competing in the fast-paced smartphone market. A rival just launched a model with cutting-edge features at a very lower price. So your team asks, how can we adapt our manufacturing, supply chain, and resource allocation to not just match but outperform the competitors? So how does operation strategy play a role here? At the end of this topic, you will be able to define operation strategy. You'll be able to explain operation strategy as a competitive weapon. To begin, operation strategy serves as a vital framework that enables organizations to gain a competitive edge in today's dynamic business environment. By effectively managing resources such as labor, materials, and technology, companies can streamline their processes and optimize productivity. This strategic alignment allows businesses to not only meet but exceed customer expectations, ensuring high-quality products and services are delivered consistently. Furthermore, by focusing on operational capabilities, organizations can enhance their flexibility and responsiveness to market changes, enabling them to adapt quickly to shifting consumer demands and emerging trends. For instance, a robust operation strategy may involve the implementation of lean manufacturing techniques to reduce waste, invest in automation to boost efficiency, or adopt agile methodologies to facilitate rapid innovation and product development. Such initiatives not only improve operational performance but also contribute to cost reduction, which can translate into competitive pricing. Ultimately, a well-executed operation strategy empowers organizations to build stronger customer relationships, foster brand loyalty, and maintain a sustainable competitive advantage, positioning them ahead of rivals in a fiercely competitive landscape. Now let's discuss what is the primary objective of any business. The primary objective of any business is to establish a position that allows the organization to attract more customers than its competitors. To achieve this, it is essential for organizations to identify and develop their distinctive competencies, unique strengths, or capabilities that provide a competitive edge in specific market segments. These competencies enable businesses to differentiate themselves, offering products or services that resonate with customers' needs and preferences. Competitiveness is a critical factor that influences the survival and growth of a firm, as it directly affects its ability to meet consumer demands effectively. In a rapidly evolving marketplace, organizations must constantly assess their operational strengths and align them with the market opportunities. By doing so, they can equip themselves with the necessary tools and strategies to leverage these strengths as competitive weapons. This involves not only enhancing their existing capabilities but also innovating and adapting to changing marketing dynamics. Companies that effectively harness their operational strengths can position themselves favorably against rivals, ensuring they remain relevant and successful in fulfilling consumer needs. Ultimately, the ability to attract and retain customers hinges on an organization's commitment to continuous improvement, strategic differentiation, and proactive engagement with the competitive landscape. Transitioning into the realm of production and operations management, organizations leverage various competitive weapons to enhance their market positioning and achieve sustainable growth. These competitive weapons allow businesses to differentiate themselves from their rivals, meet customer demands effectively, and foster long-term success. In the realm of production and operations management, organizations leverage various competitive weapons to enhance their market positioning and achieve sustainable growth. These competitive weapons allow businesses to differentiate themselves from their rivals, meet customer demands effectively, and foster long-term success. Below are some key competitive weapons. 1. Product service expertise. 2. Quick delivery. 3. Flexibility in production. 4. Low cost production and process. 5. Product variety and product mix. 6. Quality. Below are some key competitive weapons. Number 1. Product service expertise. Organizations can gain a competitive advantage by developing deep expertise in their products or services. This expertise enables companies to offer unique solutions, enhance customer support, and provide valuable insights into their offerings. For instance, a tech company like Apple excels in creating innovative products and providing exceptional customer service, which helps solidify its brand loyalty and market leadership. Number 2, quick delivery. Timely delivery of the products or services is crucial in today's fast-paced market. Organizations that can promise and deliver quickly often capture customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, Amazon has built its reputation on fast shipping, with many items available for same-day or next-day delivery, which significantly enhances customer experiences and encourages repeat purchases. Flexibility in production. Flexibility in production refers to the ability of an organization to adapt its manufacturing processes to meet changing customer demands and preferences. This capability is essential for companies that operate in dynamic markets. For instance, a clothing manufacturer that can quickly shift its production lines to create new styles in response to fashion trends can maintain relevance and capture market share. Low-cost production and process. Achieving low-cost production is a vital competitive weapon that enables organizations to offer products at more attractive prices while maintaining profitability. This approach often involves optimizing processes and reducing waste. For example, Walmart utilizes economies of scale and efficient supply chain management to keep operational costs low, allowing the company to offer competitive prices that attract a broad customer base. Product variety and product mix. Offering a diverse range of products or services can appeal to different customer segments and preferences. Companies that excel in providing a wide product mix can meet varying needs and preferences, enhancing customer satisfaction. For instance, Coca-Cola offers a wide variety of beverages catering to different tastes and dietary requirements, thus attracting a diverse consumer base. Quality. Quality remains a significant competitive weapon as customers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for products that meet higher standards. Organizations that prioritize quality can differentiate themselves and build strong brand loyalty. For example, luxury car manufacturer BMW is known for its commitment to quality and performance, which enhances its reputation and justifies its higher price point in the market. Next, let's explore the linkage between corporate business and operation strategy. This connection is foundational for an organization's success as it aligns the company's mission statement with its overall objectives and actions. A mission statement is unique to each organization and articulates its long-term goals, the type of business it aims to operate, the customers it intends to serve, and the core values that guide its operations. This statement serves as a guiding beacon for all strategic decisions made at various levels within the organization. By clearly defining what the organization stands for and its aspirations, the mission statement helps ensure that corporate strategies align with business strategies, which in turn influence operations strategies. For example, if a company's mission emphasizes sustainability and innovation, its corporate strategy may focus on investing in environmentally friendly technologies. Its business strategy might involve offering green products, and its operations strategy could prioritize sustainable sourcing and efficient production methods. This cohesive linkage ensures that all levels of strategy work in tandem, enabling the organization to achieve its expected goals and profitability while effectively serving its customers and adhering to its fundamental beliefs. Building on this, the business strategy acts as a long-range plan that serves as a roadmap for achieving the mission statement of a corporation. It encompasses a wide range of functional areas including production, marketing, finance, and human resources, ensuring that all departments align their efforts towards common organizational goals. The strategy is crucial in defining how the company will compete in the marketplace, specifying target markets, product offerings, and competitive positioning. By integrating insights from various functional areas, a business strategy enables organizations to leverage their strengths and capabilities effectively while addressing market demands and customer needs. For instance, a company focused on innovation may align its production strategy to support rapid development cycles, its marketing strategy to highlight cutting-edge features, and its finance strategy to allocate resources towards research and development.
Thus, a well-crafted business strategy not only guides operational decisions, but also ensures that the organization moves cohesively towards fulfilling its corporate mission, ultimately contributing to long-term success and competitiveness in the market.
Furthermore, the operation strategy serves as a critical link between the corporate and business strategies by translating all decision-making processes that support the overarching business objectives. It involves defining how resources will be allocated, which processes will be adopted, and what operational capabilities will be developed to achieve the goal set forth by the business strategy. This strategic framework ensures that operational functions such as production, supply chain management, and quality control are aligned with the company's competitive positioning and market demands. For example, if a business strategy emphasizes cost leadership, the operations strategy may focus on optimizing manufacturing processes to reduce waste and enhance efficiency, thereby lowering production cost. Conversely, if the business strategy prioritizes product differentiation, the operations strategy might involve investing in advanced technologies and skilled labor to produce innovative, high-quality products. By aligning the operations strategy with both corporate and business strategies, organizations can effectively mobilize their resources and capabilities to deliver value to customers, adapt to market changes, and maintain a competitive edge. This cohesive approach ultimately contributes to the long-term success of the organization by ensuring that all operational activities are strategically driven and focused on achieving the company's goals. Now, let's discuss the steps involved in developing an operations strategy. Developing an operations strategy is a fundamental process for organizations aiming to optimize their production and service delivery functions. This strategic approach aligns operational capabilities with the overall business objectives, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively to meet customer needs while maintaining a competitive edge. The development of an operations strategy involves several critical steps which are detailed below. This figure depicts how the operations strategy is developed under the umbrella of corporate strategy. It shows the factors that go into the operations strategy and shows the link between the corporate, business, and the competitive priorities under the operations strategy. Here, the long-term operations strategic decisions are directly connected to developing new products, determining production capacity, establishing facilities, adopting new technologies, locating plants appropriately, and taking suitable decisions on building and sustaining the quality of product. In this session, we have learned various competitive weapons used by businesses. We have also learned linkage between corporate business and operations strategy. We have also dived deep into processes of developing operations strategy. So that's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning.